Hello and welcome to this video about the Vive XR Elite. In this video, we will take a closer look at this innovative technology and explore its many features and benefits. The Vive XR Elite is a cutting-edge technology that brings virtual and augmented reality experiences to life. It is designed to provide users with a highly immersive experience that blurs the lines between the virtual and real worlds. The device features advanced sensors, high-resolution displays, and advanced motion tracking technology, all of which work together to create a truly immersive experience. One of the most impressive features of the Vive XR Elite is its ability to track a user's movements with incredible precision. The device uses a combination of sensors, including gyroscopes, accelerometers, and laser tracking technology, to create a highly accurate representation of a user's movements in real time. This allows users to move around in virtual environments with ease, making the experience feel incredibly natural and intuitive. Another great feature of the Vive XR Elite is its high-resolution displays. The device uses two 2880 by 1600 displays, one for each eye, which creates a highly detailed and vivid image. This makes the virtual environments look incredibly lifelike, and users feel like they are actually there. The Vive XR Elite also features advanced motion controllers that provide users with precise control over their virtual environments. These controllers feature a variety of sensors, including touchpads, buttons, and triggers, which allow users to interact with virtual objects in a highly intuitive way. This makes it easy to navigate menus, select items, and perform other actions in virtual environments. In conclusion, the Vive XR Elite is an impressive technology that provides users with a highly immersive virtual and augmented reality experience. Its advanced sensors, high-resolution displays, and advanced motion tracking technology make it one of the most impressive devices on the market today. If you are looking for a highly immersive virtual reality experience, the Vive XR Elite is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it informative.